Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Monday, October 26th. I'm so excited to tell you about our new virtue for this week. But first, Mrs. Taylor wants to say hi to you guys this morning.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to school. So excited to start another week with you guys. And I just want to tell you that I love seeing you first thing in the morning when you drive into the parking lot and you wave to me with a big happy smile. It just makes my day. Thanks for coming back this week. It's going to be great.
Mrs. Taylor was telling me last week she saw some people rocking out and singing in the car on the way to school.
I did.
That's awesome. All right, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance, and then we'll talk about our virtue. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Make sure you sit up nice and tall, nothing in your hands. You can get ready to ask and answer questions, but don't start asking and answering yet. Wait till I'm done talking. So our virtue this week is cleanliness. We're going to talk about all the different ways we can keep our campus clean, your classroom clean, your house clean, even how to keep your body clean. When we're clean, we're going to be more healthy. When our school is clean, it's a better place to learn. So we're going to talk all about being clean this week and keeping everything nice and tidy. Mrs. Taylor, anything you want to tell them about being clean?
Oh, well, I just appreciate all the hard work that they're doing to keep their hands clean, using sanitizer, washing their hands when they're in and out of the bathroom, wiping down things, staying out of Mr. Pete's way as he's helping keep our campus clean. I've seen some of you picking up trash already. You're taking care of your own trash, so thank you guys.
Nice job. So our virtue of the week is cleanliness, and here's your question to talk about with your class today. What are some examples of places that you can help clean? We don't want Mr. Pete to do all the cleaning. We don't want your mom and dad to do all the cleaning. You got to help too. So help us think all of the places in the whole world that you could help clean. And teachers, I'll leave this slide up for a few seconds so you can pause this if you'd like for when you're talking. Have a good day, Achieve.
I'm just getting the answers.